Take that, losers.
Not cool, dude.
Loser.
Whoa!
You do know you're falling behind, right?
Loser.
That's how you want to race? Fine.
Hey, don't mess with the chickster.
Oh, come on.
What's the matter? Can't handle the thunder?
I've calculated my stats. On this track, in this weather, I've a 92.2 certainty of winning.
You.
No match for me.
Whoa! Whoa!
Yahoo!
Ouch! That was terrible.
Yeah. Wah. Wah.
Listen, I don't mean to drive faster than you. That's just how I roll.
Wow. Charming chick.
Hey, whoa. Oh, no.
Oh my God!
What?
No sé qué pasó.
Now what?
What was that?
Where'd that come from?
Now that is funny.
What? Get out of here!
Not so fast, you don't.
Well, you all impressed yet?
I'm gonna take you apart.
You trying to mess with me?
You is gonna pay, son.
Your pain level is about to get crazy.
Not so fast. No! Looks like this good old boy's done. I hope my mama ain't watching.
Oh no!
You afraid of me? You better get out of here quick or I'm gonna finish you off.
Not this time.
Well, look who's trying to be brave. Here I come, ready or not.
That's not good.
What? Oh, come on! I was wrong!
You think you're pretty tough, don't you?
Someone get my agent on the phone! You'll pay for this! Call my lawyer! And a tow truck!
What? You gotta be kidding me.
Not good.
Next time.
No.
Don't worry, folks. I've had worse.
That's it. I'm getting more boost tanks.
Nothing stops the queen of the crazy eights. What? No.
Looks like this good old boy's done.